Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you some of the best ways to make some extra cash in a short amount of time. Whether you're just looking to make a few bucks to cover a small expense, or you need to make some quick money to pay for an emergency, these tips can help. So, let's get started. Here are some of the best ways to earn quick money. Take online surveys. This is a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. You can usually complete surveys in a few minutes, and you can get paid anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars each. Do freelance work. If you have skills in writing, editing, web design, or marketing, you can find freelance work online. There are a number of websites where you can find freelance jobs, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. Deliver food or groceries. If you have a car, you can deliver food or groceries for a company like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Instacart. This is a great way to make some extra money on the weekends or evenings. Sell unwanted items. If you have any unwanted items lying around, you can sell them online or at a garage sale. This is a great way to declutter your home and make some extra cash at the same time. As a bonus, I want to share one more way to earn quick money. Do odd jobs for people in your neighborhood. This could include things like mowing lawns, shoveling snow, or running errands. People are often willing to pay a few bucks for these types of services, and it's a great way to get to know your neighbors. So, those are just a few of the best ways to earn quick money. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash in a short amount of time, I encourage you to check out these options. Thanks for watching.